Today, we're going to show you the Elitech DMG-4B, a game changer in the world of auto repairs. This smart digital manifold is multifunctional, app-controlled, OTA-operatable, with precise sensors. Using this digital pressure gauge is incredibly straightforward. Just connect it to the air conditioning system, open the mobile app, and you can start testing and analyzing. It also records data, making it convenient for us to diagnose faults and perform maintenance. See how precise and digital the readings are. No more guesswork. Join the future of repair tech with Elitech DMG-4B. We'll see you in the next video.